Yahoo Finance Stock Analysis. Yahoo Finance is a widely used platform that provides real-time stock quotes, financial news, data, and analysis tools. Although Yahoo is no longer a publicly traded company after being acquired by Verizon in 2017 and later becoming part of Apollo Global Management's portfolio in 2021, its finance section continues to play a crucial role in the investing world. Market presence and features. Yahoo Finance is particularly popular among retail investors due to its user-friendly interface and wide range of services. It offers market summaries, interactive charts, historical data, and financials on thousands of companies listed across major stock exchanges. Additionally, it provides up-to-date news and insightful commentary on stock market movements, macroeconomic indicators, and sector trends. One of its major strengths is the Stock Screener feature, allowing users to filter stocks based on market cap, sector, PE ratio, dividend yield, and more. This makes it a valuable tool for both beginner and experienced investors looking to build or manage their portfolios. Data accuracy and tools. Yahoo Finance pulls data from reliable financial sources and exchanges, ensuring fairly accurate reporting. However, professional traders often cross-verify the data with other premium services like Bloomberg, Morningstar, or Reuters, as Yahoo Finance may have minor time lags or limitations in advanced metrics. In addition to stock data, Yahoo Finance covers cryptocurrency, commodities, currencies, and ETFs, expanding its relevance beyond traditional stock investing. Premium services. Yahoo Finance also offers a paid version, Yahoo Finance Plus, which provides enhanced charting tools, research reports from Morningstar and Argus, and portfolio analytics. This upgrade is aimed at more serious investors seeking deeper insights and professional-grade analysis. User base and accessibility. The platform is accessible via both desktop and mobile app, which helps attract a broad audience. Many investors rely on Yahoo Finance not just for stock prices, but also for reading expert opinions and watching video interviews with market analysts and CEOs. Conclusion. While Yahoo Finance itself is not a stock to invest in, its influence on investor decision-making is significant. It serves as an essential resource for retail investors looking for free or affordable access to market data. Though it may lack some of the depth offered by institutional-grade platforms, its ease of use, broad coverage, and continuous improvements make it one of the top financial platforms globally.